Hello friends, good morning. My subject is pH metric titration in pH meter for the to determine pK value of a given weak acid by pH metric titration with a strong base. That is the firstly we can discuss about the acid base indicator. First upon finding the equivalence point of a titration, use a pH meter, plot of pH versus titrant volume in diagrammatically the titration of the volumetric analysis and the pH meter. Second is the center vertical region and equivalence point, and the next is the use of acid base indicator. Acid base indicator molecule that changes the color based on pH. Second one is the choose an indicator that changes color at the equivalence point, end point. When the indicator changes color, if you have chosen the wrong indicator, the end point will be different than the equivalence point. Indicator are often weak acid that loses a proton, causing the color change when OH minus reaches in certain concentration. In H indicator plus OH minus to give iron minus plus H2O in diagrammatically. Next one is the basic term of the titrametric analysis. First one is indicator, end point, equivalence point, titration error. First upon this discuss in indicators. An indicator is a compound having a physical property, usually color, that changes is abruptly near the equivalence point of a chemical reaction. The completion of the titration is detected by some physical changes such as color of the indicator. Next one is the end point is observed. The point of titration at which this change is color or some other physical property occurs is called the end point, which occurs just after the equivalence point. Next is the equivalence point. Equivalence point, the point of titration at which number of moles of titrant and is equal to titrant. Errors, the difference in volume of standard solution in terms of the difference in end point and equivalence point. The goal for the end point of to coincide with the equivalence point for ideal titration of the visible end point, equivalence point, and titration error. Next one is the acid base indicator. Acid base indicator are weak acid and weak bases are highly colored due to the highly conjugated inorganic constituent. First one, in general, many indicators are weak acid and partially dissociate in aqueous solution. In this reaction, H indicator aqueous to give HI plus in ion minus. The unionized form in the H ion is a different color of the anionic form is the ion minus, and apply the Lee-Chatterjee principle to predict any color change. In acid, increase of the H plus ion concentration, equilibrium moves to the left to the red undissociated form, and in alkali, increase of the OH minus. The OH minus ion removes H plus ion to from the water, that is the H plus OH minus to give water. The equilibrium will move to right to produce a blue color. That is summary. In H ion to give H plus ion minus in acidic solution and in alkaline solution. pH is the plus or minus, pK value is the 1. Next, when pH is equal to pKa plus log of ion minus upon H ion, the indicator color change over pH range to observe a color, and the concentration may be 10 times of other. In a formula, most indicators requires transition range about the 0.2 pH unit, and the pKa indicator should be close to the pH of the equivalence point, that is phenolphthalein is the most widely used for the strong acid base titration. Since the titration is between colorless and pink, it is not able to lower concentration of acid and base since fall outside the step portion of the titration curves is the bromothymol blue is generally used in acid base indicators must have easily observed color change, must change immediately in the required pH range over the addition of the half a drop of reagent, that is the color change of some common indicators. Next one is the cunoid theory. Is the simple Ostwald theory. The color change indicator has been revised and the color changes are believed to be due to the structural changes. Next one is the acid base indicators. Firstly, must have an easily observed color change, must change immediately in the required pH range and the half drop of reagent. First one in a diagrammatically volume of alkali added and pH, in a graphically methyl orange litmus and phenolphthalein indicator. It is useful in indicator must change over the vertical section of the curve. There is a large changes in pH for the addition of a very small volume of alkali. The indicator used depends on the pH changes around the end point. The indicator must change during the vertical portion of the curve. In the example, only suitable indicator of the phenolphthalein. Next one is the acid base titration. The titration is addition of the measurable volume of a known solution titrant to an unknown solution until the reaction has been completed. Use of stoichiometry of the reaction of the known and unknown to calculate the concentration of unknown solution. A pH curve, titration curve shows the change in pH versus volume of titrant is a titration process. pH meter can be used to monitor and pH during the titration, and an acid indicator can be used in a single region in equivalence point, that is the equivalence point. The types of pH curve. First one is the strong acid HCl versus strong base. Weak acid is the acetic acid versus strong alkali NaOH. Strong acid HCl and the weak base is the NH3. And last one is the weak acid is acetic acid and weak base is the NH2. Next is the weak acid is the acetic acid versus strong base and NaOH. At the start, in my pH meter titration, weak acid and strong base. Weak acid is the concentration of pH plus in the root of Ka and the acetic acid. Before the end point is the buffer acid salt is the concentration of pH plus in the K acetic acid upon acetate, that is the CH3 double bond O minus, and the pH is equal to pKa log of the CH3 double bond O minus upon CH3 double bond OH. Next, at the end point, hydrolysis salt, that is the OH minus is equal to root of Kb. Hydrolysis salt, this is the basic compound, is the base, is the dissociation constant of base, that is the Kb is the CH3 double bond O minus, and the pH is equal to half of pKw plus half of pKb plus half of log CH3 double bond O minus, that is the acetate. And after the end point, that is the excess of strong base, OH minus is equal to NaOH. And next one is the 500 ml of the acetate in a chart of the and the pH value in their concentration. First concentration is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and their pH value and Km, and the pH is the 3, 3.3, 3.8, 4.15. This is the pH value. Next is the graphically, and the graph by the weak acid is the acetic acid versus strong base, that is the NaOH. Firstly, in a y-axis is the pH and the volume alkali is added. Firstly, the pH 4 due to the 0.1 molar acetic acid, and that is the monoprotic acid. pH is equal to pKa is equal to 4.76. This is the pH value. In graph, the steady pH range of the buffer. Next is the sharp change in pH over in addition and less than the half drop of NaOH. Curve levels of the at pH is 13 due to the excess of 0.1 molar NaOH, a strong alkali. And last one is the hydrolysis of sodium acetate at the end point pH above the 7 and end point pH is the 7 to 14 range. Next is the titration of weak acid and strong base. In addition of a strong base and weak acid from a buffer solution Ha plus OH minus to give A minus plus H2O. If not enough base and added to complete the reaction Ha for A minus buffer. Important points of the pH metric. pH increases more rapidly at the start then for a strong acid, pH level of near pKa due to the Ha per A minus buffering effect, pH is equal to pKa plus log of A minus upon Ha is equal to pKa plus log of 1. pKa value is the Ha. Curves is the steepest near equivalence point, that is the pH versus volume of the NaOH solution added. The titrametric weak acid and titration of weak acid and strong base and their graphically. In graph, weak acid and strong base, phenolphthalein indicator, litmus, methyl orange. Only phenolphthalein is a suitable and only one to change its vertical position. The best indicator is the phenolphthalein indicator and range is 6 to 8. In the effect of the concentration of end break, the hydrolysis of sodium acetic acid at an end point pH is above 7. The greater the concentration of the acetate is, the greater the pH, and the phenolphthalein indicator range is 7.73, 8.23, 8.73. This is the phenolphthalein indicator, that the equivalence point is the pH. And the curve 1 0.1 molar sodium acetate versus 0.1 molar sodium NaOH. Second curve is the 0.01 molar sodium acetic acid, that is the CH3 double bond OH versus 0.01 molar NaOH. And curve third is the 0.001 molar acetic acid versus 0.001 molar NaOH. This is the titrametric curve.